Welcome to Yoga Alliance's website tutorial series. My name is Toni, and today I'll be sharing how to log teaching and training hours in your teacher dashboard. At Yoga Alliance, we value the ability to support you on your yoga journey and contribute to your evolution as a teacher and practitioner. Let's start by logging in. Enter the email address associated with your account along with your password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your teacher dashboard. You can add hours by clicking the My Teaching Hours or My Training Hours section in the left sidebar. Let's take a look at adding teaching hours first. Go to My Teaching Hours, then click the Add Teaching Hours button. Once there, enter the start and end dates of your teaching schedule, class types, and the amount of hours teaching. You can also add details for your own records, such as location, number of students, and any notes about the class that you consider important. This section is optional and is exclusively for your use. Once you're done, click Save to have your hours logged, or Save and New to add another entry. To log your training hours, we're going to follow a similar process. First, go to My Training Hours, then click Add Training Hours. There are a few options for you to select your training provider, but for our purposes today, let's select Taught by Ayaka. This will open a step-by-step process, starting with a prompt to upload your certificate. If you don't have your certificate on hand, you can manually enter the instructor's designation and name. Once you have found the instructor, add the dates of the course, the name of the course, and add the amount of training hours corresponding to each educational category. It's important to provide accurate information here and make sure that the hours logged match your certificate exactly. Finally, click on Request Confirmation. Your teacher will receive a notification that you've logged your hours, and they'll be able to review and approve the information you have provided. When the course is confirmed by the teacher, your training hours will be reflected in your profile. When entering coursework manually, be sure to assert that the information you've recorded is true and accurate as prompted, and your hours will populate immediately after submission. The total amount of training hours is at the top of the My Training Hours section. The details of each and all your entries are stacked at the bottom of the page. That's all for now. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. More yoga, better world.